Let us understand one more the concept with reference to dictionary is chain mapping. Chain mapping is that feature where we can find the combination of two dictionaries or more that can be merged or added to the third one. If there are duplicate keys are there, the only single key that is identified from the first preserved key but not the latest. Now let us find. Here I have the import of collections, then I add number of entries under the first dictionary. By the same time I will take second dictionary where day 1, day 2 are added. In order to merge, we will take a collections dot chain map of first and second dictionary object where we have added with it. This returns the third collection as resultant dictionary has the combination of the number of elements with it. Let us find the same thing with our examples, how we can deal with it. Now here I am with two input values, day 1, day 2, where I have given under the dictionary 1, day 3 and day 1 I have given under the dictionary 2. Let us find the collection mapping, how I deal with it. So then I would like to find the response of it. Then I would like to individually check the keys and values of it. Now here in the next case where we can do, I want to find only keys from the dictionary, where I will take it as an keys equal to the curly bracket indicates about the collection call of the dictionary will be written only key set, where I take the conversion into the list format, it will get only the keys. Same the case with values. I extract keys and values, then further division of it. Once it is extracted, there I can read one by one element. So for keys and values in the resultant variable what we have given over here, from there I want to extract the individual keys and values by using format method, where I can display the formatted output of keys and values from the given dictionary. Then I want to identify the value part individually from the location. Day 3 in the resultant, I will take the key name as in day 1 and the resultant value from the result, and day 4 the resultant value from the result. It will extract the specific value of the keys. Hope this is clear. Let us find the execution part of it. In the output, the first combination of my line shows that the combination of day 1 and day 2 is returned over here. Then I would like to extract the keys. Keys are returning day 3, day 4, day 2, day 1 as the combination of the keys, and values upon what we have given there. Here if you notice, Thursday was the key of day 1 which was there in the second set is now removed. It is taking only the latest availability as on Monday only. Elements where we are extracting, I can read key value pair individually. This is where we can see line number 18 and 19, that does the job of it. Same the case, I want to find out the value existence. It checks the value that is available in the day 3 and day 4 with reference to this. Hope this is clear.